In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off OneDrive. We'll guide you through the process with clarity and simplicity, ensuring you can follow along without any hassle. So let's get started on disabling OneDrive on your PC. First, direct your eyes to the taskbar on your computer screen. You're looking for the OneDrive cloud icon, which is typically found among the other icons near the clock. Clicking this icon will open up a menu that gives you direct access to OneDrive's features. This is your gateway to making adjustments to your settings. Once you've clicked on the cloud icon, the next step is to locate the gear icon. The gear is often universally recognized as a symbol for settings, and here it's no different. By clicking on this icon, you will be presented with a menu that allows you to dive deeper into OneDrive's configurations. From the list of options, select Settings. It's within this window that you can manage various aspects of OneDrive's integration with your computer. Just a note here, being comfortable with navigating settings menus can come in handy across numerous applications, not just OneDrive. Now within the settings window, you'll want to look for the Account tab. Accounts are typically the hub for all your login information and linked devices. Clicking here will start the process of unlinking this particular PC from your OneDrive account. This is a crucial step if you plan a clean break from OneDrive's automated syncing activities. Once on the Account tab, you'll see the option to unlink this PC. Choosing this will prompt OneDrive to sever the connection between your computer and the cloud storage service. A dialog may appear, and it's crucial to confirm your decision by selecting Unlink Account. Remember, once unlinked, files will remain on your computer, but they won't be synced anymore. The final step to ensure OneDrive is disabled entirely involves uninstalling the application from your computer. Open up the control panel from your Windows menu and navigate to Programs and Features. In the list of installed programs, locate Microsoft OneDrive, select it, and click on Uninstall. This will guide you through a removal process, cleaning out OneDrive from your system. With it gone, your computer will stop uploading or downloading files to and from the OneDrive server. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully turned off OneDrive on your computer. This process is great if you're changing to another cloud service or simply prefer managing your files locally. I hope this guide was straightforward and helpful. If you have any further questions or need more tech tips, leave a comment and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.